my experience as chairing the Hillsborough Independent Panel, I know that for decades the families tried to access all the documents related to the investigation into the deaths of their loved ones, the 96, now the 97. And at every stage, they found themselves frustrated in this task. And I was surprised to learn that the police records are not, in fact, covered by the Public Records Act, and that actually a chief constable, if he or she so wished, could destroy any documents with impunity. And I think in order to restore trust in the police, there ought to be a duty of candour on the police to share those relevant documents that are relevant to how loved ones have died.